This is the acromial tissue. This is the levator, scapulae dentalis, no? And then we have here the stenotrapezius. And then the three deltoids, huh? So you have here the so this is you have here the clavicle, huh? This is slidomastoid, this is huh? This is vasoclavicularis, right? And then below the clavicle, this is the clavodeltoid. Okay? Clavodeltoid. And then this one is the stenodeltoid. And then this one is the stenodeltoid. Okay? So again, three deltoids, no? So clavodeltoid, then acromial-deltoid, and then stenodeltoid. Okay? And then for the other muscles of the shoulder, so again you have here the scapula, you have here the spine. So the one above the spine is the supraspinatus, and then this one, below the spine is the infraspinatus. Okay? Then this is the teres major. What is this? Stenodeltoid. No? So stenodeltoid, stenotrapezius, acromial-deltoid, acromial-trapezius. And then we have the clavodeltoid. Okay? And then, so the muscle here, this one, this is the subscapularis. Okay? Subscapularis. On the other side of the scapula.
Ano po mo?
On other side of the scapula. Subscapularis. Okay? And then, okay, we have now the muscles of the arm now. No? So upper arm. So this is this is triceps, no? Triceps brachii. So you have here the lateral head, then the long head, no? Long head, and then you have here the medial head. Okay? So lateral head, long head, medial head. And then beside the lateral head is the brachialis. This one. Okay, and then underneath the clavodeltoid, that's the bicep brachii. This one. This one. This is ito. Yun.
Sorry.
Yan. Bicep. Okay? Brachii. And then for the we have a superficial muscle. Ito. Manipis lang sa ito. Epitrochlearis. Other side. This one. Yan. Okay? It's the epitrochlearis. It's the superficial to the long head. Okay? So, ano yan? Now, ito na, sa arm. You have to be very patient with the lower arm, no? Kasi the fascia is so thick. So it means you have to remove the fascia, okay, for you to be able to see the tendons, no? So again, aim at the tendon. Let's example this one. So first tendon, that one. Okay, so that's the, again, no? Muscles here are extensors, the lateral side, and then medial side are the flexors. Just like the thigh. Extensors here, flexors here. Okay? So ito, You have the first tendon again. Ano? So this is the extensor carpi radialis longus. Okay? CR, carpi radialis, kasi ito CU, carpi ulnaris. Okay? So extensor carpi radialis longus. Then the second one, this one. Okay, so that's the extensor carpi radialis brevis. And then this one, this is the tendon. Okay, as you can see here the extension, this one. So this is the extensor digitorum communis. And then another tendon here. This one. So ito yung mass niya. So this is the extensor digitorum lateralis. And then this one, okay, below. So it's a deeper muscle. This is the extensor carpi ulnaris. So CR, CR, CU. Then extensor. Okay? So again, extensor carpi radialis longus. Extensor carpi radialis brevis. Then this one, extensor digitorum communis. This one, extensor digitorum lateralis. This one, extensor carpi ulnaris. Tapos ito, this is already part of the flexor. This is flexor carpi ulnaris. So extensor carpi ulnaris, flexor carpi ulnaris. So that when you go to the medial side, so same pa din, no? So this is still extensor carpi radialis longus. Second is still brevis. Yeah. Then the small muscle here, that's the pronator teres. Okay. Then this one, this is the flexor carpi radialis. So again, CR to U. Okay. Flexor carpi radialis. Then flexor carpi. Same pa rin sana. Flexor carpi ulnaris. And then this big one is the palmaris longus. Okay? Oh, you're done. You're assigned